In the year 1928, British government imposed heavy taxes on the farmers of Bardoli and the surrounding villages of Kheda district. It was a step to suppress the farmers and farming activities. The Iron Man of India, Shri Vallabhbhai Patel, fought against the British on behalf of the farmers and forced them to withdraw the tax levied upon them. He ensured prosperity among the farming community. It was a revolution for the benefit of the farmers, and the leader of the revolution, Vallabhbhai Patel, came to be known as Sardar, the leader. History repeated itself after 75 years. It was a time when the farmers of Gujarat were again disturbed. This time, the adversities were scarcity of water, inferior water and soil quality. Inspired by Sardar, the government of Gujarat took initiatives to fight against the odds. The government visualized of converting the entire farming land of Gujarat into a green belt. As a part of this Vision 2010, a new company was formed, the Gujarat Green Revolution Company Limited. The company's vision is to achieve a sustainable natural resource management regime in agricultural sector of the state and bring about a second green revolution in the state. GGRC is aimed to promote micro irrigation system MIS to the farmers of Gujarat as an implementing agency on behalf of Government of Gujarat and Government of India to bring second green revolution in consonance with the agriculture policy of Gujarat Vision 2010 so as to save water and energy, besides multiple benefits to improve agricultural productivity and farmers' prosperity at large. Water is the most vital element required to sustain life. It is the most important input in agriculture as well, and every activity at GGRC revolves around conservation of water. It is assumed that water consumption in agriculture is around 83%. But due to recurrent droughts in many regions, irregular rainfalls and decreasing level of water bodies, our country is facing frequent scarcity of water. This leaves us with no option but to make wise utilization of the available water reserves to meet our requirements. Agriculture is the engine of our country's growth and development. Irrigation is the lifeline for agricultural production. Drip, conventional sprinkler, impact sprinkler, porous pipe and rain gun are classified into micro irrigation system, MIS, for all practical purpose in Indian agriculture. Initially, MIS was not being accepted due to high initial cost, poor institutional support system, lack of skilled human resources, appropriate equipment, technology, and resistance from farmers practicing conventional system of flood irrigation. To overcome this, the government of Gujarat envisaged a totally new approach by forming Gujarat Green Revolution Company Limited, GGRC, in the year 2005, which is the nodal agency for implementing MIS in the state of Gujarat. GGRC is a joint venture between GSFC, GNFC and GAIC. After the pilot project in 2005, GGRC developed business module for implementation and promotion of MIS, which is first of its kind in India. Highlights of the integrated and uniform working module for implementation of MIS in Gujarat. According to the type of crop, any farmer can now avail Rs 60,000 per hectare or 50% cost of micro irrigation system, whichever is less, irrespective of the area of land holding as subsidy. Farmer has the choice of selecting MIS supplier. Farmer has the choice of taking loan from the bank of his preference. Loan from the bank is being secured by ensuring the system. Farmer is free to decide crop, area and type of MIS. Design of MIS is prepared as per the requirement of the farmer and cropping pattern to be adopted. All inputs for high-tech agriculture is being made available to the farmer through GSFC GNFC marketing network. An inspection for quality is carried out by a neutral agency. After all the equipments of MIS are installed in the farmer's field, farmers get multiple benefits because of MIS. For example, enhanced crop yield, energy and water saving, improvement in quality of produce, improvement in the health of soil, reduction in labor cost, efficient fertilizer consumption, better pest and disease control, reduction in weed growth. It is suitable for difficult land terrains. It increases irrigable area with given amount of water, equal distribution of water, feasibility of interim crop, proper time management, irrigation as per requirement, equal distribution of fertilizers, equal efficacy on uneven land, prevention of soil erosion, prevention of spreading of crop disease. It allows usage of saline and brackish water. It aids in cultivating uncultivable land. It enables irrigation at night. It allows cutting of crop while irrigation is in progress. It enables automatic irrigation. It is a social status symbol. The payback period for the investment made on MIS is as short as 1.5 years. The GGRC working module of micro irrigation also includes construction of sump for storing irrigation water and is a part of subsidy. With drip and sprinkler irrigation systems, farmers have the option to cultivate multiple crops like banana, chilies, mangoes, papayas, sugarcanes, tomatoes, tobacco, watermelons, potatoes, cumin, fennel seeds, etc. On the path of green revolution. In a short span of 3 years, the company's business volume has grown to 280 crore rupees. The flexibility and the transparency of business module is the strength on which the implementation of MIS is adopted by more than 70,000 farmers of Gujarat. And more farmers are adding up to this number slowly and steadily. Considering cropping pattern of the state, agroclimatic condition, type of soil, and irrigated area in the state, the potential for the implementation of MIS is very high. It is as high as to the tune of 30 lakh hectares. So far, 1.25 lakh hectares have been covered under MIS, and GGRC has planned for larger coverage in the coming years. To provide guidance and information on latest technology to farmers in agricultural sector, GGRC is publishing a bi-monthly magazine called Jal Jeevan. As Sardar had dreamt of united and prosperous India, GGRC, inspired by him, is on a path of creating green and prosperous Gujarat. GGRC is gearing up for the second green revolution in Gujarat. The journey has begun. It's time to witness an evolution. A new chapter on green technology is being written. More and more farmers are becoming the green torch bearer. GGRC welcomes you to be a part of green revolution on the road to prosperity and growth in the agricultural sector in Gujarat.